How to fix your Clash of Clans cannot join clan. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? Well, there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is leave your current clan. You cannot join a new clan while you are in the clan. Also, you want to check your town hall level. Most clans require a town hall level 3 or higher, and upgrade your town hall if it is too low. If that is not the case, you want to wait like 24 hours and try again later, because if you leave a clan, you must wait before joining another. Always make sure to check or ask the clan settings, and it might be set to invite only. Simply go ahead and request an invitation from the leader or co-leader. Also, if the clan is full, you won't have the opportunity to join it. Some clans also have a minimum trophy requirement. Simply go ahead and increase your trophies and try again later. If none of it works, you want to simply try restarting the game itself or contact the clan leader. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.